ACE Pipeline, building the nation's energy lifeline.
Good morning, friends. This is Himanshu Sahu, a mechanical engineer and quality engineer from ACE Pipeline. Today, our mainline project is underway in Kota, Dhpl, awarded to Gail India Limited. The PMC is Dhpl Engineering India Limited. Our line runs parallel to DVC panel. Initially, the decision was made to shift from private land. This challenging task is being executed in wet conditions during the monsoon season. Every employee is handling the pipes with utmost care. The pipeline will traverse under the farmer's land along the Kino Pass. Our employees diligently clean the joints, prepare the pipes for proper welding, and work with a strong emphasis on safety. Our goal is to ensure these pipes remain reliable for years to come.
ACE Pipeline, building the nation's energy lifeline.